This month's Admap puts the spotlight on data ethics. Data ethics analyses how data is collected, shared and used, and it assesses the potential for data to cause harm. We have 16 contributions from thought leaders from across the globe who explore the multiple issues plaguing the digital marketing industry. They also offer advice on how to fix things. Adhering to data privacy laws is a good start. The GDPR came into force in May 2018. We look at the impact it has had on the industry 1 year on. We also explore the data privacy landscape in other markets, including the United States, China and India. The issue also looks at marketers' increasing use of powerful technology such as AI. As technology becomes more pervasive and indeed more invisible, the data ethics conversation will get louder. This is why it's vital for brands to put data ethics front and centre on the agenda. Data ethics is good for businesses, good for consumers, and good for society.